Hello from FIX Sevt AUTO. In this video clip I'm going to show how to replace the front brake pads of Citroën C3 Pluriel. That's 1.4 petrol and it's produced 2006. It's very easy to replace it, just there are two bolts, there are 13. You can use spanner or socket with ratchet to release it, lose it. And we're using a bar to take the caliper parts off of the pads holder, brake pads holder, and I'll take out the brake caliper. Then the next step, we have to take these bolts that the brake caliper is moving and clean it with the paper sandpaper, and then lubricate it with special grease for brakes, both of them. And with that special tool for take the piston back into the cylinder of the brake caliper, because the new brake pads are thicker, otherwise it won't fit around it. Then we have to prepare the new parts because we don't change the brake disc, and there's a edge on the discs. That we have to cut that edge of the brake pads to fit into the thread of the, you can see the edge how I cut it. Have to fit exactly on the brake disc. Now we're cleaning here on the paint, because the disc have to move, the brake pads have to move freely into the brake caliper. Otherwise, if we don't clean, don't prepare it, that may cause problem. It's keep lock the brake pads in one side, wearing in not in the proper way, and hit the wheel as well. Then after that we put the brake pads on the caliper, and put the caliper in and the two bolts, and that's it. And after that you have to know when, always when you replace the brake pads or brake shoes, you have to go after that directly into the car and push the pedal, the brake pedal, a few times until it's getting harder, because at the beginning it will be very soft. Push a few times until the pedal gets hard, and that's it. Otherwise that may cause big problem when you start moving the car without only forget that you change the brake pads, and you need to stop and press the pedal will gonna sink into the floor and won't stop the car. Thank you very much, thank you for watching, thank you for visiting our channel Cars FIX Sevt AUTO. Thank you.